Hi friends, it's Mads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a US double treble decrease as well as an invisible decrease. So we're going to begin with the regular decrease first. To do that, we are going to yarn over 3 times. We are going to go through the first loop there, yarn over and pull through. So you should now have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. Yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2 until you have 2 loops on your hook. Now we're going to go ahead and yarn over 3 times again. So you've got 5 loops on your hook, go through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, so you have 6 loops, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops until you've got 3 loops on your hook. So that's your original loop, your first incomplete double treble and your second incomplete double treble. Now we're going to complete the decrease by yarning over and going through all 3 loops like that. So you've combined the 2 double trebles into 1 stitch. So that's your regular decrease. To do an invisible decrease, we are going to yarn over 3 times. I prefer to go through just the front loop only. You can go through both if you prefer, but I suggest just going through one. So just go through your front loop of the next stitch and then go through your front loop of the following stitch. So you've got 2 front loops on your hook now. Yarn over and pull it through both front loops. So you've got 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2. Yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2, yarn over and pull through the final 2 to complete your invisible decrease. So that's your regular decrease. You've got the 2 trebles that turn into the 1 stitch. This is your invisible where you've gone through the front loops of the 2 stitches. That's next to do your 1 double treble. So you would then work your next stitch into that one there, so not the ones that you just went into. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. I have heaps of other tutorials on my channel, so please go check them out if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one.